Hello, I'm Roger the Balloon Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mad bird out of balloons. First, I'm going to take a little piece of 260 balloon and tie two knots, one knot on top of the other. And just snip off the edge and you get a little knot like that. This knot is going to go inside of a larger balloon, in this case a 646. You can use a 660 or a 350 or 360, but I like these because they're nice and big and fat. So that knot goes inside the balloon, and inflate it just a little bit until it's somewhat round. Somewhat round, just like that. Okay. And tie a knot there. And again, that knot is now inside the balloon. Okay? Now we're going to use that knot to attach the beak and cheeks of our mad bird. You could use a yellow, orange, or in this case goldenrod 160. Start with a 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist. Now if you don't know these twists that I'm doing, I do teach them on my videos, which you can find at theballoonwizard.com. 2 pinch twists. Now I'm going to make 2 loop twists. These are going to be the cheeks of my mad bird. Alright, 2 cheeks. About 4 fingers in length, make another bubble, twist. I'm going to make the beak a little curved, so I'm going to make this a little bit longer. And the rest I'm just going to rip off. If you can't rip the balloon, you could use the scissors. And then we have our bird beak and cheek, see? Not great? Not really. Okay. Alright, we find that knot and we hold it up until you can get that knot, lost my knot, right in the middle. Right in the middle, right there. Pardon me, I'm going to go off camera a little bit. Okay. You hold it up to the light above you and you can see exactly where your little knot is. And I don't know if you can see that. It's right in between my fingers. Now that knot is going to be pulled right through my 2 cheeks and beak, right there, right in there. This is the tricky part. Don't be afraid if the balloon breaks, because that's why you have more. And when you have all this room here, the balloon does have a little bit of room to stretch, so the odds of it breaking are not that good. Okay. See? Just like that. Next, I'm going to put some feathers on top of his head. And this will serve 2 purposes. One, he has little feathers on his head. Give him a little more detail, and it's going to be a place where we're going to lock in the balloon that we're going to use for the eyes. So 1 pinch twist, 2 pinch twists, about 3 fingers in length. Make the bubble, make a safety bubble, rip. Tie the knot, and we're going to make a second feather. So we're going to make 3 feathers, 1, 2, and 3. This is the first feather. Wrap that new nozzle around your 2 pinch twists, about the same length. Twist, safety bubble, rip here. Save this. Tie a knot. Now, I always like to put a dealy bopper on my balloons. That's that little poof you see on the end of a little poodle tail, little poodle dog balloon. So this is going to be our third feather, which will be a little bit longer. And of course, if you don't already know, the secret of making the poof is you just blow on it. Okay, just like that. I also teach that on my video if you're having trouble doing that on your own. Again, that is theballoonwizard.com. Okay, 1, 2, 3 feathers. Scissor, little trim. Okay, and I'm going to put these little feathers on the top of my mad bird. Just like that. White 160. Take the nozzle, wrap it around those 2 pinch twists on top. And about the length from here to here, measure that, pinch. Now this is going to wrap around that knot that we have that's connected to here. So again, this is a little bit trickier, and you want to do this gently so you don't break your balloon, because it is a little bit fragile. Once you've locked it in there, the hard part's over. You come back up about the same length, pinch, twist, and then bring this in between right here. Oh, almost dropped it now. So we have the eyes and the feathers and the cheeks and the beak. If you want to make your bird look a little more angry, take your Sharpie marker, draw in some pupils. I tend to make long egg-shaped oval type of pupils for mine. And oh, you can't forget his angry eyebrows. So he'll really be a mad bird there. And there is your angry bird. Now you would say, well, why? What's all this for? That looks kind of dumb, because they're just kind of round, the little angry birds, when they're doing their thing. What you do is you just put your thumb and finger like this and cradle the balloon in your hand, but don't pinch it. You just want it to just rest there. Take this, pull it like an elastic, and let it go. Whoa, let's try that again. That's what I get for watching the camera. Pull back and let it fly. And that is how you make an angry bird. Thank you.